On July 31, 2025, the Italian Navy officially received its 10th and final multi-role FREMM frigate, Emilio Bianchi, marking a major milestone in one of Europe's most ambitious naval construction programs. This delivery completes the Italian component of the FREMM Frigate Europea multi-mission program, which was initiated as a joint Franco-Italian effort under the coordination of OCCAR, Organisation Conjointe de Coopération en Matière d'Armement, a European defense procurement agency. The FREMM program was designed to modernize the naval fleets of Italy and France by replacing aging frigates with a new class of versatile, high-endurance warships capable of performing multiple mission types, including anti-submarine warfare (ASW), anti-air warfare (AAW), and surface combat. Italy originally planned to acquire 10 FREMM frigates, and this final delivery of Emilio Bianchi completes that commitment. The ship was built by Fincantieri, one of the world's largest shipbuilding groups. The combat system was integrated by Leonardo, Italy's leading defense electronics company. Final outfitting and sea trials were conducted at the Muggiano shipyard, near La Spezia. The ship underwent its first sea-going review (FSGR) and successful early sea trials in late November 2024, which tested propulsion, maneuvering, communication systems, and basic weapon system integrations. These trials confirmed the vessel's readiness and allowed for on-time delivery by mid-2025. Emilio Bianchi is the second vessel in the ASW Enhanced (ASW-E) configuration. This design was developed to replace the two original Italian FREMM ships transferred to another country in 2020. The ASW-E configuration introduces several upgrades over earlier FREMM units. Notable enhancements include the Capta's 4 variable depth sonar, which dramatically improves the ship's ability to detect and track submarines over long distances in a variety of underwater conditions, including littoral zones and deep waters. The ship is also fitted with the Leonardo KRONOS Naval AESA radar, an advanced multi-function system providing simultaneous tracking and guidance for air and surface threats. Electronic warfare is managed by Elettronica's EW suite, capable of signal intelligence, jamming, and decoy operations. Additionally, the ship is armed with vertical launch systems capable of deploying Aster-15 and Aster-30 missiles, though specific weapon configurations are determined by mission and national inventory. The ship's communications and data handling systems support real-time interoperability with NATO and EU forces, allowing for seamless integration into multinational task forces. The vessel has a full load displacement of around 6,700 tons, is 144 meters long, with a beam of 19.7 meters, and a maximum speed exceeding 27 knots. It can operate autonomously for extended durations and hosts a core crew of approximately 200 personnel, with additional accommodations for mission-specific units, such as helicopter detachments or special operations forces. The ship supports helicopter operations and is equipped with a flight deck and hangar compatible with medium-lift naval helicopters. Emilio Bianchi is named after a World War II naval figure, continuing Italy's tradition of honoring naval personnel in its ship naming conventions. With this delivery, the Italian Navy now fields a complete fleet of 10 FREMM frigates. These ships are distributed between anti-submarine and general-purpose variants, ensuring flexibility across a wide spectrum of maritime tasks, from high-intensity naval operations to peacetime patrolling, search and rescue, and anti-piracy missions. The conclusion of this 10-ship program allows Italy to transition focus toward the upcoming FREMM Evo program. This next-generation evolution of the FREMM class will include even more advanced systems, stealthier designs, and significantly enhanced radar and command and control capabilities. The first steel cutting for FREMM Evo began in April 2025, with deliveries expected by 2029. The FREMM Evo class is expected to replace older destroyers and expand the Navy's ability to operate in contested environments with higher survivability and sensor reach. With Emilio Bianchi delivered, Italy now possesses one of the most modern and balanced frigate fleets in Europe. This enhances the country's ability to respond to maritime crises, contribute to collective defense operations, and project naval presence far beyond national waters. The Navy's focus will now shift to operational integration of Emilio Bianchi into the fleet, final training of the crew, and full combat system activation during the upcoming months.